Hello friend, as I already defined in the previous section, the sorting is the process in which the records are arranged in ascending as well as descending order. So in the previous section we had seen the insertion sort. In the insertion sort, the elements is inserted at appropriate place. You know that we are taking the we had already seen the example of this insertion sort with the program. Now next is the selection sort. The selection sort is nearly the same as the exchange sort. Assume that we have the list containing the element. By applying the selection sort, the first element is compared with all remaining n minus 1 elements. So the smallest element is placed at the first location. Again the second element is compared all the remaining n minus 1 elements. The smallest element is placed at the first location. Again the second element is compared with the remaining n minus 2 elements. If the atom found is lesser than the compared element into the remaining n minus 2 list, then the swap operation is done. So in this type the entire array is checked for the smallest element and then swap. This is process of the selection sort. Now next one is the bubble sort that has already discussed in the previous lecture. The bubble sort is the commonly used sorting algorithm, and in this type two successive elements are compared and swapping is done if the first element is greater than the second one. The elements are sorted in ascending order, and this algorithm is easy to understand, but it is time consuming algorithm. And last algorithm that are already discussed in previous lecture is the merge sort. The merge sort is one of the most efficient sorting algorithm that is based on the divide and conquer technique. The divide technique break the list into two sublists which continue until the problem set is left with one element only, and conquer is basically merge the two sorted array into the original array. Now next today we are going to discuss about the quick sort algorithm. The quick sort is the fast sorting algorithm used to sort a list of the elements. The quick sort algorithm is invented by C.A.R. Horan. This quick sort algorithm attempt to separate the list of element into two parts and then sort each part recursively. That is mean it is use divide and conquer strategy. In the quick sort, the partition of the list is performed based on the element called as the pivot element. Here pivot element is one of the element in the list. The list is divided into two partitions such that all the elements of the left of the pivot are smaller than the pivot, and all the elements to the right of the pivot are greater than or equal to the pivot element. This is the division of two partition. List is divided into two partition. How the list will be divided into two partition? There are two partition. The first partition contain the element to left of the pivot are smaller than the pivot, and the right hand side second partition contain the element to right of the pivot are greater than or equal to the pivot. Now we go the step by step process of the quick sort. Consider the first element of the list as a pivot. Consider that the first element of the list as a pivot, that is element at first position in the list. And second, define the two variable. Suppose I define the variable I and j. Set I and j to first and last element of the list respectively. That means I is set to first element of the list and j is set to last element of the list. Now third step, increment the I until the list of I is greater than pivot. Increment the value of I until when the list of I is greater than pivot, and if this condition is true then stop. Then next step is that decrement the j until list of j is less than pivot. If this condition is true then stop. In the next step, if the value of I is less than j, then exchange both element list of I and list of j. That means sort these two element list of I and list of j, and in the next step repeat the step 3, 4, 5 until the value of I is greater than j. And last step is exchange the pivot element with the list of j element. So this is the sample code for this quicksort algorithm. So friend, here first I will explain you the example, then we see the code. Consider the following unsorted list of the elements. Suppose this list contain the element 5, 3, 8, 1, 4, 6, 2, 7. Define the pivot left and right. Set pivot to 0, that is this list of 0 element, that means 5 is assigned to the pivot, and left is assigned to 1 and right is assigned to 7. Here 7 indicate the size minus 1. Now compare the list of left with list of pivot. If the list of left is greater than list of pivot, then stop left, otherwise move left to the next. Compare the list of right with list of pivot. If the list of right is smaller than the list of pivot, then stop right, otherwise move right to the previous. Repeat same until left is greater than equal to right. If both the left and right are stopped but left is less than right, then swap the list of left with list of right and continue the process. If left is greater than equal to right, then swap the list of pivot with the list of right. Now friend, compare the list of left. See in this diagram, compare the list of left is less than list of pivot. As it is true, increment left by 1. List of left. What is the value of list of left? 3. 3 is less than list of pivot. What is the value of list of pivot? That is 5. 3 is less than 5. Yes, the condition is true. Then increment left by 1. That is increment left to the 8. To that near the 8. Now left will be stop at 8. Compare the list of right is greater than list of pivot. So what is the list of right? 7. And 7 is greater than list of pivot? Yes, the condition is true. Then decrement right by 1 and repeat same. The right will be stop at 2. Now here the list will be shown like that. Here left and right both are stop. Left and right both are stop. And left is not greater than right. Left is not greater than right. So we need to swap list of left and list of right. We had swap these two elements. 2 is here and 8 is here. Now again compare the list of left is less than list of pivot. As the condition is true, then increment left by 1 and repeat the same. Left will be stopped to at the position 6. Now compare the list of right is greater than list of pivot. As it is true, then decrement right by 1 and repeat the same. Right will be stop at 4. Now here left and right both are stop and left is greater than right. So we need to swap list of pivot and list of right. Then the list will be look like that. Here we can observe that all the number of left side of 5 are smaller and right side are greater. That means 5 is placed in the correct position. 5 is placed in the correct position. So repeat same process on the left sublist and right sublist to the number 5. So in the left sublist, as there is no smaller element than pivot left, we'll keep on moving to the next and stop at last number. So as the list of right is smaller, right stop as the same position. Now left and right both are equal, so we swap pivot with the right. Now in the right sublist, left is greater than the pivot and left will be stop at the same position. So as the list of right is greater than list of pivot, and right move toward the left and stop the pivot number position. Now left is greater than right, so we swap the pivot with the right, that is 6 is swapped by itself. So the list will be look like that 1 3 2 4 5 6 8 7. Now repeat the same recursively on both left and right sublist, and then all the number get sorted, and the final sorted list will be given here 1 2 3 4 5 6 up 7 8. So this is the procedure for sorting the algorithm using quick sort. So through that technique we can sort the algorithm fastly, quickly. So this is the process of the quicksort algorithm. In the next lecture we are going to discuss the C program of quicksort algorithm with the with taking the another example, simple example. Thank you friend for attending this session.